Hello, good people. My name is Peter Kamau Zoidi from Young TV Kenya. On today's video, I'm gonna basically tell us how I started my YouTube channel. This channel has been here for at least 3 years. I started this channel I think like 4 years ago. Oh yes, 4 years ago. It's not 3 years. I started this channel 2019. I think 2019 at the end, or 2020. Yeah, I think 2020. That's when I started my YouTube channel. So it's a funny and awesome story. So this guy finds me at my working place. At that time, I was having my own business. I was just fresh from Form 4. And now I'm looking for something that I can do to sustain me so that I can join campus. And so I was selling sweaters at that time. I remember I used to wake up at 4. Just imagine, at 4, just to go to Gikomba, go buy the stuff, then take them to the fundi, he slims them, and then I come and resell them. Okay, that's not the story today. Let's go direct to this person who made me one day. This guy, his name is Moshiri, yeah, Moshiri from Taisako. So this guy finds me selling my own clothes and says, "Hi, you know how these agent and these marketing guys, they know how to trigger you. Also, they came, hey, you sell and sweaters. That's a nice job. So I want to introduce you to something." And I was like, "Yo, I need to learn. Okay, give it to me." And he was like, "Yeah, we have Sako right here, and we are looking for people who can invest. Our interests are low, and we give loans after 3 months." And I was like, "Yeah, this can be a good idea for me boosting my job, not my job, my business, mm, as I'm continuing, because after all, campus tunapika gamboka. So I was like, okay, this is good. Let's go with it." And then this guy will come each and every day in the evening, and he'll be like, "Hey, my guy, you opened an account. Now we need something to save." And I was like, "Yeah, it's nice. Like, you are helping me to manage my own life." And that at that moment, I was so young. Like, I won't say my age, but I was young, to be precise. So I saw a person who can really help me. So we started bonding. And I was like, "Hey, so what do you do?" He was like, "I do this and this in Thai Sako." And he asked me, "Apart from selling sweaters, don't you have like a dream in life? What do you want to do?" I told him, "Yo, I'm a rapper. I can throw some lines." And he was like, "Yo, that's a good deal. You can go and start up a YouTube channel. You just record your video and throw it on social media. Nobody cares." And I was like, "Yeah, that's a good idea, but I don't know how to open a YouTube account." At that time, I was having a phone that was not smart. And it was not literally Katululu, but it was, these China smartphones. Let me not go deeper. It is a smartphone that is not smartphoning. So that was the phone that I was having at the moment. And he was like, "Yeah, so you don't have a smartphone?" And I was like, "Yeah, I don't even know how to open a YouTube account." And he was like, "All you need is an email." And I was like, "What is an email, my friend?" Those times all I knew is WhatsApp, Facebook, and some sites. I won't go deeper on them. So mm, this guy introduced me to this stuff, and he told me, "Yo, if you need a smartphone, I can get one, a second hand phone, and it can help you." And I was like, "Yo, that's good." From the savings that, yeah, yeah, and he was like, "Yeah, that's a good idea. We need 7K to get a second hand phone that can make a good video, that has the capacity to carry the YouTube app, anything, to do the videos and it has enough space. And he was like, I even have one. I will sell it to you. So it costed me 7K. That is around 65 or $77 at the moment. So I started saving. To cut the long story short, I got my smartphone, Infinix Hot 11, or was it hot whatever? It was hot something, or not? Yes, hot. I don't know if it was hot or not. Let us not go there. So I got this phone, and I decided, yeah, let me go open an email. I didn't know what email was. All I knew, we did something in the school about emails. And I was like, yo, it's good. Let's go and try something. So I went on YouTube, how to create an email. And I was like, yo, that's nice. I went, opened my email account, Rebel Trafficking, whatever. And boom. Then I went the next day. Yo, my guy, I already have an email. He was like, yo, that was fast, man, after giving you my $75. But it's cool. So he taught me how to open a YouTube account. He taught me how to upload videos. Now, my first day and my first video, I cannot forget. It was in my sister's house. It was a mix playing on the video on TV, something with Y254, yeah. Then it was Mojishoti Papa Pale, yeah. So I did Gwara Gwara because that was the latest dance style that was rolling. And I was like, yo, that's nice. Let's roll with it. I recorded a 30-second video. I think it was a 30-second video. Then, boom, I uploaded it on YouTube. I knew nothing about editing. I knew nothing about lighting. I knew nothing about videography. All I did is upload my video. Boom. 2 days, 4 days, 6 days, 3 weeks, 0 views. Then I went to this guy. Oh, my guy, yeah, I uploaded my first video. It was like, how is the turn up? I was like, yeah, it's cool, man. Yeah, I used my bundles right there. I made a video, wasted my time, and I uploaded a video. But so unfortunately, I don't have any views. And he was like, yeah, it happens like that. And I was like, yo, why are you telling me to follow my dreams? You won't help me after all. He told me you gotta be patient. Then he gave me an example with this guy, the secular guy, singing taka ta kata. He told me this guy used the phone to do this video, and I was like, yeah, really. And the way he's trending right now, yeah, I think he was trending at that moment, 2020. Yeah. So I got an inspiration, motivation, and I was like, yo, I gotta do something. Then from there, let me tell you, after joining campus, then I found more YouTubers, Hey, I started sharing my content. Yeah, my YouTuber, yeah, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then God, 3 years ago, I posted a video about how to dance gengeton when gengeton was gengetoning. Yo, it brought me somewhere. I thank you, Lord, because I got 127K full views and 3K subscribers out of that video. I thank God. So I did this video to tell you, if you have not started your YouTube channel and you want to start a YouTube channel, don't mind anybody's business. It's your business. You're following your dream. Please go start there. The hardest thing to do in a business, it is to start. So go do your thing. Only an email you need, and boom, you enter into your YouTube your YouTube app and create an account. Then you do some settings. If you want me to do a video about that, okay, I'll do it again on another day. Then we grow together. Thank you very much for having you. I've been your host, Peter Kamau Zoidi from Young TV Kenya. Peace.